Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Lady Doris. If today is your first day coming to my channel, you are welcome. If you have been here, always coming back to watch my video, thank you. Once again, I'm Lady Doris. I'm into headwear making. I sell in retail and wholesale, and my location is Enugu. In this tutorial, I'll be showing how to make this beautiful headwear, and these are what I'll be using to make this headwear. It's self-explanatory and is beginner friendly. You can go ahead and get all these materials and reproduce your own. These are all I use, and you can get them in market. For the measurements, this is the one I'm going to use to cover my Alice band, and the measurement is 18 inches. It's 18 inches. So I'll go ahead and set it aside. For the main base that I'm going to use for the main work is 3 yards, which is 36 inches times 3. Just look at the way I measured it out, and you see I use my hand to show you that it's 3. Yes. Okay. So look, watching the way I'm measuring it, you see that is 36 inches that I'm measuring out times 3. Moving over to the next step, I'm going to go ahead and cover my Alice band. First of all, you see that thread. So you are going to go ahead and remove it. Once you remove it, you fold it and place it on your Alice band. With the help of your gum, you stick it to the Alice band. Then you go ahead and stitch it with your thread and needle. Okay, so the video is self-explanatory. You can go ahead and watch it and see how I made this beautiful piece. You see, in this life, you need to be creative in whatever you are doing. All right, so in this handwork, the only thing you need to do for yourself and also make this your handwork come out good is to be creative. So whatever you watch here on a YouTube, whatever tutorial that you are watching, you just need to apply your own wisdom, then change your own style. All right, so you can use this style that I'm just showing you here, or make another use another method to make it come out. All right, so just be creative around your workpiece. All right, so that's the secret that I just want to let you know. Be creative, be creative, be creative. Once you are creative, whatever you are going to make is going to come out nice, unique, and fine. Apart from that, another way to keep your customers coming back in this business is to use quality materials. Don't go for cheap materials, go for quality materials. Even if you are going to place the price on your work so high, you go ahead and do that, but make sure that the materials that you're going to be using to produce, to make, or to curate anything is going to be high quality material. All right, so your another step is going to, there's this style that I just learned new, and my customers say that is good. It's one of my customers that show that it kind of tell me, she told me to start using this method instead of elastic, and this is it. Okay, so you can use 10 inches or you use 8 inches, maybe one line, but you see I used 10 inches, and you can use 10 inches anyway, or you can use 12 inches. I fold it into two. Yeah, that's the style I just use. It you can use, remember I said you can use any style, you can just be creative around your work. All right, so that's the whole secret here. Then the this thing I just curated here, you are going to go ahead and do the same to the second handle. All right, so and this is the outcome. Your customer is going to use it to tie at the back of her head so that the work will stay steady on her head, not falling, not moving about. Okay, so I will move ahead to the next step, which is making the main base. I'll be fast forwarding part of this video just to save our time. So you go ahead though. That long measurement that I made, that I measured 36 inches times 3, and that is what I'm going to use to make uh, uh, this particular base. And you see the style, the method is just very simple. Just fold, adjust, fold, adjust from the other side, and then come back to this side, adjust, fold, and that's the style. Very beautiful. It's very simple style, oh, but I'm going to add another sauce to this stew that I'm just cooking here. All right. So I'm being creative. Okay. So it's going to be beautiful. It's going to come out good. You see, this work right here, my customer loved it so much, and when I gave it to her, other people requested for the same work. So you can try out this on your head. Maybe after making it, you can sample it on your head, and then your customer will be any of your customer that ask you this, choose a style for me. You can introduce this style for them. All right, just tell them to make this style, and you will see that your customer is going to like it, and also bring more customers for you. So the method I use in making this is very simple. It's beginner friendly. All my videos, I make sure to make it in a way that if beginner can go ahead, pick how all the piece of her materials and recreate it ASAP. So my videos are self-explanatory. All right. So if you have come to this part of this, if you have come to the part of this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification, and also like, comment, and share. All right. So share to your friends, share to your loved ones. All right. Another way to empower your loved ones or your friends is not by only giving them cash, is by sharing important information to them, good things that they can, as a young lady, as a young guy, you can use this business, you can start this business to support yourself and use the income that you get from this business to support yourself. All right. And as a young lady, you can also learn this work and start making for yourself. All right. And also turn it into commercial use. So that's the real cocoa here. This here I've introduced my um my feathers, and in my previous videos you saw how I use this tongue machine to turn my feathers. And if you are anticipating on, maybe you want to recreate this work, or go ahead and get this particular machine. All right, go ahead and get this particular um tongue machine. Okay, because this particular one, it has straightener and it also has tongue machine. It can turn. You see how I used it now. So my I'm done with turning it. Okay, and I'm applying it on this particular hat wire. Mm. This is actually a flexible wire. You can use your hot wire. You can use any wire of your choice. So um, I'm covering it. I have this video on my channel already. Previously, I posted it before, and it's going viral. It's about 3 point something views. So if there is anything that is confusing you on how to create this feather stick, go back to that video. Is here on my channel. Go back to that video and watch to see how I recreate this feathers sticks. So I am going to be recreating it, six pieces of it, and we using it to place in by the side of this my mail work. I'm so sorry because I know you have noticed that I did not add my music on this particular video. My music has problem out. Maybe it's a technical issue also. So I don't know what CapCut is just doing, no, but it's a great app. So I did not add my music right now because I'm trying to fix it. But I'm trying to use my voice to keep you busy while you are watching this video. So please, just do bear with me. Maybe in my next video, I'm going to add uh, my music. So thank you for watching. You see how beautiful this piece I came out to be. So it's beautiful. It's classy. You can introduce it to your customers, and that center you can go ahead and attach your flower, and the work is done. It's done. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. You can introduce it to your customers. They are going to love it. They are going to love it, and it's going to bring more customers for you. I've made this particular headwear in highest about 10 pieces already. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate your presence here. God bless you. Remember to like, comment, and share. If you are if you have not subscribed to my channel, please help me by subscribing to my channel and turning on your notification bell so that each time I post a video, you will be able to be notified. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay blessed. Bye. Love you.